Okay, so another one that in eye observation that she's wanting us to do are two self observations, one math, one reading. And she said that we could do it like right now. So get one of your most recent, like, oh my God, we haven't really been teaching a lot. I'm probably gonna go to I'm probably just going to pick one of my math class, like a class that I've had since testing, because if not, we have to go way back. If you can't find one in math and one in reading, go like the closest you can to before you left for whatchamacallit for testing, but I would try to get one after testing. But the self-observations is to remind you so you don't have to think. You go there, and that brings you here. I know I'm on page 2, so you would go there. Oh, there you are. And then what I would do, because you're going to have the word begin by yours, you're going to hit begin and then figure out which one you're going to do observation over, and then do this over that, if that makes sense. So did you do this one, close the achievement gap? Did you help them similar similarities and differences, et cetera, et cetera? And then you need to have one in math and one in reading for your end of the year stuff as well.